Aloha, travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you to one of the most stunning destinations on Earth, Hawaii. From pristine beaches and lush rainforests to volcanic wonders and rich culture, Hawaii truly has it all. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Hawaii offers an unforgettable experience. So pack your bags, and let's dive into the ultimate Hawaii travel guide. Hawaii is an archipelago of 8 major islands, each with its own unique charm. In this video, we'll focus on the 4 most popular islands: Oahu, Maui, the Big Island, and Kauai. Whether you're looking to surf, hike, or simply lounge on the beach, we've got all the tips and recommendations for you. Oahu is the heart of Hawaii, home to the bustling city of Honolulu and the world-famous Waikiki Beach. It's perfect for travelers seeking a balance between city life and nature. Top activities in Oahu: 1. Visit Pearl Harbor. Learn about WU2 history at the USS Arizona Memorial. 2. Hike Diamond Head Crater. Enjoy panoramic views of Honolulu and the Pacific Ocean. 3. Snorkel at Hanauma Bay, a protected marine life conservation area filled with colorful fish and corals. 4. North Shore Beaches. Experience big wave surfing at iconic spots like Waimea Bay and Pipeline. Recommended restaurants: Leonard's Bakery, famous for malasadas, which are like Hawaiian donuts. Helena's Hawaiian Food, offering authentic Hawaiian cuisine. Giovanni's Shrimp Truck, a must-try for their garlic shrimp on the North Shore. Where to stay: Halekulani Hotel, a luxurious beachfront resort in Waikiki, the modern Honolulu, a trendy chic hotel near the beach. Turtle Bay Resort, perfect for those looking to explore the North Shore. Maui is known for its beautiful landscapes, from cascading waterfalls to volcanic craters. It's the ideal island for adventure seekers and nature lovers. Top activities in Maui. First up, the Road to Hana. It's a scenic drive with lush rainforests, waterfalls, and even black sand beaches. Next, there's the Haleakala Sunrise. Witness the stunning sunrise from the summit of Haleakala, which is Maui's dormant volcano. Then you can go snorkeling at Molokini Crater. Dive into crystal clear waters that are filled with vibrant marine life. And don't forget whale watching. Visit between November and April to spot majestic humpback whales. Recommended restaurants. For a delightful experience, try Mama's Fish House. It's known for its fresh, locally sourced seafood. If you're looking for something more casual, Aloha Mixed Plate offers traditional Hawaiian dishes. And for a sweet treat, Ululani's Hawaiian Shave Ice is the best in Maui, featuring a variety of tropical flavors. Where to stay? If you're seeking luxury, the Four Seasons Resort Maui at Wailea is a beachfront paradise. For a quieter, scenic stay, the Ritz-Carlton Kapalua is perfect. And, if you're on a budget, the Maui Coast Hotel is a more affordable option that's still close to the beach. Big Island, the island of adventure. The Big Island is perfect for adventure seekers, with active volcanoes, diverse ecosystems, and stargazing opportunities. It's the largest and most diverse of all the Hawaiian islands. Top activities on the Big Island. First up, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Explore active volcanoes, lava tubes, and rugged landscapes. Next, Mauna Kea Summit. Stargaze from the highest point in Hawaii. Then, Punalu'u Black Sand Beach. Watch for sea turtles lounging on the unique black sands. And finally, snorkel with manta rays. Experience an unforgettable night dive or snorkel with these gentle giants. Recommended restaurants: Merriman's, a farm-to-table restaurant featuring Big Island produce. Big Island Brew House, local craft beers and delicious pub fare. And Ka'aloa's Super J's, famous for traditional laulau. Where to stay? The Four Seasons Resort. Hualalai is a luxurious oceanfront resort with impeccable service. For a unique stay within the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, check out the Volcano House Hotel. And if you're looking for a budget-friendly option in the heart of Kona, the Kona Seaside Hotel is a great choice. If you're looking for a tropical paradise with fewer crowds, Kauai is the island for you. Known as the Garden Isle, it offers dramatic cliffs, lush landscapes, and hidden beaches.
Top activities in Kauai. First up, hike the Kalalau Trail. It's a challenging but rewarding hike along the stunning Napali coast. Then, don't miss Waimea Canyon, often called the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, for some breathtaking views. For a more adventurous experience, you can kayak the Wailua River, paddling through Kauai's lush rainforests and discovering hidden waterfalls. And for an unforgettable experience, take a helicopter tour to soar above the island for panoramic views of the Napali coast and hidden valleys. So, let's talk about some must-visit spots to eat in Kauai. Recommended restaurants. First up, we have the Beach House. It's perfect for oceanfront dining with fresh seafood. Then there's Puka Dog, a unique Hawaiian-style hot dog that's sure to delight your taste buds. And, for a refreshing treat after a day of exploring, you can't miss JoJo's Shave Ice. Yum! Where to stay? Grand Hyatt Kauai Resort and Spa, a luxurious resort perfect for relaxation. Hanalei Colony Resort, a peaceful beachfront escape. Kauai Beach Resort, a more budget-friendly option with ocean views. Travel tips for Hawaii tourists. Before you set off on your Hawaiian adventure, here are some essential travel tips. Hawaii travel tips. 1. Rent a car. Public transportation is limited, and you'll want to explore beyond the resorts. 2. Pack reef-safe sunscreen. Hawaii has strict regulations to protect its coral reefs, so bring eco-friendly sunscreen. 3. Respect local culture. Learn a few Hawaiian words like aloha, hello, and mahalo, thank you. And always show respect to locals and the environment. 4. Be mindful of ocean safety. Always check for warnings about strong currents and rough surf before swimming. 5. Book in advance. Whether it's activities, restaurants, or hotels, popular spots fill up quickly, especially during peak seasons. From its breathtaking beaches to its rich culture and natural wonders, Hawaii is a destination that will stay with you forever. We hope our guide helps you make the most of your trip to paradise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Until next time, mahalo and safe travels. Subscribe for more travel tips and guides.